Hello students, welcome to our online class organized by our school, South Point English Boarding School. Today we are gathered here to study about EPS subject. We are in class 7. Students, today we are in our unit 5. That topic is enterprise. So students, in earlier class we have to discuss about the enterprises, what are the enterprises, and today their types we are going to discuss about it. Students, I hope you have to learn about the previous classes, and today here we are gathered for class 7. Our subject is OBTED Unit 5. The topic is enterprise. Students, first we discuss about the term enterprise. It is also synonym about company or any business or any field. So I have to define it. Please copy it. Any business, field, company, or concerned investing resources in some economic activities for profit motive is called enterprise. Let's discuss about it. Any types of business, any types of company, or any types of investing resource is known as business. Where there is any types of economic activities going on, firstly their investment is necessary and to run, and there is a profit motive also, because business is the nature of profit motive. That's why enterprise is also known as firm, any business, any company. These all are synonyms. Students, for run a proper business, proper company, 5 M's is necessary. That is man, money, materials, management, and manpower. So these all are the hands, and these all are the main themes of any enterprises. Man, money, materials, management, and manpower are necessary to establish any types of business and to run easily any types of enterprises. These 5 M's are necessary. Students, we are going to discuss about its types on the basis of investment and on the basis of nature of work. Please list it. Now, the types of enterprises on the basis of investment. Types of enterprises on the basis of investment. Investment, it means lagani, money. So there are mainly 5 types of enterprises. 5 types. First, micro enterprises. Other, cottage industries or enterprises. because industries is also synonym of enterprises. Other, a small scale enterprises. Other, medium scale enterprises. Medium scale enterprises. And the last one is large scale. It means large investment. Large scale enterprises. Students, let's discuss about its nature and its investment. What are the investment amount to establish those types of enterprises? Let's discuss about it. Please list it first. Micro enterprises. For micro enterprises, people have to invest up to 2 lakhs rupees. That is, for here, up to 2 lakh. 2 lakh. So for establish the micro enterprises, people have to invest up to 2 lakh money, and it can be established in any local area by single person or by the group of family also. Any types of tea shop, any types of simple small cottage things, handicrafts, these are the come under the micro enterprises. And students, discuss about cottage industry. One thing is amazing, that there is no limit of investment. There is no limit. It means if you have less than 2 lakh rupees, you can establish cottage industry. If you have only 500 rupees, you also can establish cottage industry. This is based on handicrafts, crafts, these are. So there is no limit of investment in cottage industry. Different types of carpet industry, different types of bamboo work industry, these are based on cottage industries. Other, there is a small scale industries. For a small scale industries, we need about 5 crores money. 5 crores. So 5 crore. Up to 5 crore we have to need to establish this small scale industry. For example, there is any types of salt companies, there are cement companies, cement industry. These types of industries are based on small scale enterprises, and people need group of people. For this set up the industry, people need group of people, because there may be partnership or single people also. Other, there is medium scale industry. 5 to 15 crore money is needed. About, they are not exactly about 5 to 15 crore money is needed for medium scale enterprises. They may be multinational, they may be local, regional and national companies. Different types of companies are come under the medium scale enterprises, and in our country there are also different types of medium scale enterprises. There is more manpower is needed to establish those types of enterprises. And the last one, large scale industry or enterprises. So people need up to 15 crore. There is the up is no limit. So up to 15 crore rupees, people need money to establish the large scale enterprises. These are the types of enterprises on the basis of investment. And now we are going to discuss about the types of enterprises on the basis of nature of work. Types of enterprises on the basis of nature of work. So students, you are clear that enterprises means business, enterprises means company, enterprises means any types of economic activities. These are. So now the types of enterprises on the basis of nature of work, there are two types. Students list it. Service oriented enterprises and the last one is that is production oriented enterprises. Service oriented and production oriented. So students, let's discuss about it. Any types of enterprises, any types of company which is based on to produce, to give the service, to serve society, or there may be it is long-term service. For example, a teacher serves a student by teaching, a doctor serves a student by treating. These types of enterprises like hospital, like school, like different type of institutes, these are the types of service oriented enterprises, and these are profit motive but long terms. And other is production oriented enterprises. Production, produce or manufacture. Easily we can know that production, it means produce goods or manufacture things. So production oriented enterprises. Students, listen one thing. In our society you can see different types of cookies industries, different types of material industries, cement industries. So these all come under the production oriented enterprises. So the definition, let's listen. Those types of enterprises based on manufacture or produce the things or goods is known as production oriented enterprises. For example, different types of industry you can write it. Here you can write different types of institute, school, hospital, these are. And here you can write different types of industries based on productions like cement industry, food industry, these are. Students, now your question is that these questions contain 5 marks. You know that our OBT subject all questions contain 5 marks. Question is that what is enterprise? Categorize it on the basis of investment and work of nature. These questions contain 5 marks. Student, be safe in your home. Next, we discuss in our other class, and thank you.